Welcome to the advanced guide to Axie Infinity Axie Movesets Explained. In this tutorial we will delve into the world of Axie Infinity and explore the intricacies of Axie Movesets. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players collect and breed digital pets known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique set of attributes and moves that define its strength and capabilities in battle. To start with, it is essential to understand the different types of moves in Axie Infinity. There are two primary types of moves: melee and ranged. Melee moves are close-range attacks that deal damage to the opponent, while ranged moves are long-range attacks that can be used to attack opponents from a distance. When building an Axie moveset, it is crucial to consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and attack power. A well-balanced moveset should include a combination of melee and ranged moves, as well as moves that provide utility and support. For example, a moveset that includes a high-damage melee move, a ranged move with a high critical hit chance, and a move that provides healing or shield would be a well-rounded moveset. Another key concept to consider when building an Axie moveset is the idea of synergy. Synergy refers to the interaction between different moves and how they work together to create a cohesive strategy. For example, a moveset that includes a move that applies a debuff to the opponent, followed by a move that deals bonus damage to debuffed opponents, would be an example of synergy in action. In addition to understanding the different types of moves and the concept of synergy, it is also important to consider the metagame. The metagame refers to the current trends and strategies in the game, and building a moveset that is tailored to the metagame can give you a competitive edge. For example, if the current metagame favors Axies with high health and defense, building a moveset that focuses on survivability and sustain would be a good strategy. In conclusion, building an effective Axie moveset requires a deep understanding of the game's mechanics, as well as the ability to think strategically and adapt to the metagame. By considering the different types of moves, the concept of synergy, and the metagame, you can create a well-rounded and competitive moveset that will help you succeed in the world of Axie Infinity. Remember to always experiment and try out new movesets, as the key to success in Axie Infinity is to be adaptable and continuously learn and improve.